And they're just called mini brands?
They're called mini brands, yeah.
Brands.
Mini brands, yes.
Oh, it's...
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. This is Vlogmas day, I want to say 15.
Jingle bell,
I think I'll poop.
Are you serious right now?
Guess I
Okay guys, so ignore her. I am at GameStop right now because I'm looking for mini brands. Alyssa, stop. They don't have them anywhere else, as you guys know. A lot of you guys are DMing me telling me that I should check GameStop. Don't act like I beat you, Alyssa. Alyssa!
See? She does.
So I'm gonna check GameStop because I know I have mini brands, but you guys, I really want the mayonnaise and the wet towels. I'm not gonna stop until I find those. When I find the mayonnaise and the wet towels, yes. Oh, also, I was gonna tell you, when I'm vlogging, can you wait till I'm done talking?
Oh, I was just thinking and out loud.
So we're at GameStop. This is GameStop in Fontana, right by the Garena. There's a lot of you guys.
Are you trying to give them our location? Well, you gotta give them our address, huh?
A lot of you guys know where I'm at. That's why I'm telling you. Okay, so let's go see if they have it. The only thing about GameStop is it is going to be overpriced. Thank you, darling.
Welcome to GameStop.
Hi.
At this location, all activities are being monitored and recorded.
Okay, so I've actually been to GameStop before many times with my husband. He actually has a membership. Hi. And the toys are usually in the middle. We're looking for mini brands. You don't have mini brands? Oh. Oh, everyone was messaging me, telling me that you guys carry them here. They're like, check GameStop. I just bought one from GameStop that the only thing is they're like $10.
And they're just called mini brands?
They're called mini brands, yeah.
Brands.
Mini brands, yes.
Oh, it's the nostalgic ones, right?
Yeah.
The only store that I see that has one is the one in Corona.
Corona? Mm-hmm. That's far from here. Mm-hmm. Do you guys ever get them in?
We haven't gotten them in here, no. I haven't seen them here. I've seen them at other places, other retailers, but not here.
Oh, no.
Will you guys be getting them in?
It seems like we should be.
When?
Next year, starting in January.
Next year? Oh, I can't wait till next year. That's okay. You guys, they don't have mini brands, but they do have these. What are these? They're called Squeeze Animals. They're $19.99, and it comes with all these. Oh my God, they're so cute. What are they? I want to touch them. I need to squeeze them. Wait, they have more here. Okay, also, what is this? It's a ramen wiggler? What is that? Is it like... This is a toy. I feel like if I brought this home to Enrique, he'd eat it, but this looks fun for me. Hi, I'm gonna do number 3. Actually, I would like white rice and chow mein, please. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. So, no, right here. I need the lighting. So, just grab it. So this is another day of me and Alyssa sneaking out to eat. We do that all the time. She gave us a plate. So we got orange chicken, barbecue pork, chow mein, white rice, and egg rolls. I love their egg rolls here. They're so good.
jingle bell.
So we're at Walgreens. We're at Walgreens, guys. We're gonna see if they have mini brands here. This is another spot that you guys are telling me that they have mini brands at. I just ate Chinese. These are good gifts. Look, 50% off Starbucks holiday drinks. And they come with these drinks. They're $14.99. And yeah, that's a really good gift. Huh. I always enjoyed shopping for Christmas gifts at Walgreens. They have a lot of toys. they have the LOL surprises. And these are the toys that you could not find last year.
I remember I got a fake one.
That sucked.
Thank you.
I did buy her a fake one. Oh, look, there's more toys here. Okay, again, like Walgreens has so many toys, you guys, it's crazy. Like, what the heck are these? Try me, okay. Oh my God, I did not expect that. Why? This is so freaking cool. Look how cool that is, you guys. Alyssa! Hi, of course she has to take it to the next level. Okay. You guys, I think I want one of these. These are super cute. Okay, so this also says try me. Oh, it doesn't work anymore. So it's like space, outer space in your room. That's really cool. They have a lot of cool stuff. Look at this, over the moon, 4 pounds of galaxy slime. That is so cool. I want to just play with that. Oh my goodness, look at this, you guys. There's little aliens in there. That is really cool. I really love, can you stop? We're enjoying ourselves over here, me and my dailies. Look at this. Over the moon jumbo slime. This is dope. Alyssa, stop.
Let's go.
No, I'm looking for mini brands. Okay. Come check out the alien stuff. It's super cool. Oh my God, what is this? I haven't been to Walgreens in so long. I miss it. They just have things that like Walmart doesn't sell, Target. Oh fudge. No, oh fudge, literally. This is, okay, I'm here shopping for Alyssa. This is what she wants. I swear, she's so annoying. Alyssa, stop it. Sorry, my daughter's annoying.
Mommy, you have to pick up your toy that you want. I'm not gonna buy it for you if you don't get it. Stop doing it.
Alright guys, I definitely don't see any. I see Ryan here, but I don't see LOL surprise, LOL. Yeah, it doesn't even look like they sell them here. Well, that sucks. You guys, we are literally the only people in the world who wash their car in the night. Like, because we decided to go eat somewhere.
It's like an hour.
Yeah.
Be careful, me. I was here before all of this.
By the way, my new obsession.
Now, good audience.
Be quiet, please. Be careful with me.
Okay, guys. So I was just chilling right here, right? And I was just chilling, and the water was coming in the freaking door. The water was freaking coming in the freaking door when I was just trying to chill and seen, you know, my girl Nikki Chun-Li, and the car water was coming in the freaking door, and now my whole butt is all wet, and my AirPod case got all wet, and now we have to freaking dry it. This isn't cool, right, Mom? This is a bullshit.
That's the Jingle Bell Ride.